Hello students, welcome to this lesson. This is the fifth lesson, lesson 5, chapter 10. In the last four lessons we have started, first we recalled whatever we have studied in the 10th standard, basics of coordinate geometry. Then we defined this year slope of a line, and then how to find the slope, then condition for parallel, condition for perpendicular, then angle between the lines, etc. Now here what you have to do is you have to derive the equation of the line. It's a very interesting thing. In fact, this is the real beginning of study of straight lines in coordinate geometry. Let us see different forms of equation of straight line we are studying. So the major concept here is forms of equation of a straight line, different forms. So first let us try to understand what is the meaning. See here you consider three different coordinate systems. See, I have taken three different figures, x-axis and y-axis with origin, three different cases. Imagine you are taking a line. See, one case is this. The given line can be parallel to x-axis. This is one possibility. So we can say line parallel to x-axis. What is the other one? The line can be parallel to y-axis also. That's the second case. Now, there is only one case left. What is the third one? The line can be making an inclination. That means it cuts both x-axis as well as y-axis. It makes an angle actually. See the difference. First one, it cuts only y-axis, parallel to x-axis. Second case, it cuts only x-axis, parallel to y-axis. Third case, it cuts both axes. So line. So this is called inclined angle. So these are the only three possible cases. And we have to derive the equation of the line based on three cases only. So this is the major idea or theme of this straight line equation. Now, line parallel to x-axis, let us see how to find the equation of the line parallel to x-axis. Look at this diagram very carefully. Take any line parallel to x-axis. See here what happens is the distance of the line from x-axis is constant. You know that parallel line means its distance between is constant. Now in the diagram you see this A refers to the length of the y-axis between origin and the line where it cuts, the point where the line cuts y-axis. So that is A. Therefore here what happens is you have to understand the logic. Any point on the line, its y value is same. Y value will not change. Only x changes. X value will keep on changing. Y will not change. Therefore, we take this as equation. So the equation of the line is y equal to a. Now the same way, suppose the same line cuts y-axis below origin. Distance is same. For example, it is a. Say for example, this is a. But now the coordinate of y will be minus a. So you take any point on the line, x value keeps on changing, but y value remains minus a only. So here the equation is minus a. So this is the basic idea. Now once you understand this concept, the second one I need not explain much. Look at the second one, a line parallel to y-axis. So here you see same thing. So the distance from x-axis and between x-axis and the line is always same. Definition of parallel line. So this is A. So here also on the line the value of x remains same. Only y value changes. Therefore we have to take equation of the line as x equal to A if it is positive. Same thing. Second case, suppose the line cuts x-axis in the left side, that is negative x-axis. The condition is same. Distance is a only. Distance will not change, but its value will be minus because it is on the negative x-axis. So x is minus a. Therefore, it is just sufficient. There is no need to remember plus a minus a. Since it is explained in the textbook like this, I have taken. Otherwise, it is just sufficient. X equal to a means it's a line parallel to y-axis. Y equal to a means it is line parallel to x-axis. So that is sufficient. Now the third case is very, very important. Line intersecting axis, that means inclined case. So here the line is intersecting both x-axis and y-axis, or it makes an angle, inclination. So there are various forms. See, let me first explain so that you have to remember these are the different forms. The first one is called point slope form or slope point form. You can take it in any way. Second one is called 2-point form. Third one is called slope intercept form or intercept slope form. And the fourth one is intercept form. And the last one is normal form. So these are the 5 different forms, meaning different conditions will be given. You have to find the equation of the line. So the first one, you see what is given is the word itself is indicating what is the given condition. M is given, slope means M, you know. Point means x naught y. These are the things given. That means point x naught y naught on the given line is given. Slope of the line is given. You have to find the equation. Similarly, what do we write? So equation is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Of course, this you have to remember. Second one, 2-point form means x1 y1 is the first point, x2 y2 is the second point on the line, and if that is the case, then the equation is y minus y1 equal to m into, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And the third one, m and c are given. Now don't worry, what do we mean by c? So intercept, that is called intercept. So y equal to mx plus c is the equation. And the third one, intercept form a and b. Equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. And the normal form alpha and p given. And the equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Sometimes in textbook instead of alpha, omega, Greek letter, differently Greek letter is given. Don't worry. So these are the 5 cases. Now I have just mentioned here because you should register in your mind these are the basic 5 different forms of equation given condition. So the word and the condition you have to remember. See, for example, slope intercept form means slope is given, intercept is given. Now immediately you have to remember the formula also, y equal to mx plus c. 2-point form means 2 points on the line are given. So equation is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Like that you have to remember this. So let me first sum up this one. Let us derive the formula for the following. So once again I am repeating so that you should remember this. So how many forms are there? Totally 5. Point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form, intercept form, normal form. And you have to remember what is given. In the first case, m is given, 1 point is given. What is the equation? Y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. This you have to remember. Therefore, I am repeating. Second point, what is given? 2-point form. So x1, y1 is given, x2, y2 is given. What is the equation then? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. The third one, what is given? M is given, C is given. Don't worry what is C here. I will explain when we come across this particular situation. Y equal to mx. And remember, we have to derive all these equations. So that is very important. Fourth one is intercept form, that is A and B are given. And x by A plus y by B equal to 1. And the last one, alpha and P are given. Then x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. So 4 different forms: point slope, 2-point, slope intercept, intercept, and normal form. Of course, there is one more called general form that I have not included. Later we shall see. So these are the basic forms. So this you have to remember. Now what you have to do is you have to derive one by one. First one, point slope form. So this is actually, you can take it as a theorem, and you should also know how to derive the equation. The equation of the line passing through the point P x naught y naught, whose slope is m, is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. So what is given here is, let us consider a coordinate system. L is the line passing through the point x naught y naught. Therefore, mark a point, say x naught y naught. Let us call it as P. So it is x naught y naught. Now L is passing through this point. So only this much is given. But one more condition is there. M is given, slope is given. Now what you have to do is, take another point that is from our side. So you take another point Q, which is xy. So let QXY be any other point on the line. Now, given the slope of line L is M, that is given. Slope is L. Now, by definition, what is slope actually? By definition, slope L passing through the point P and Q is given by y minus y naught divided by x minus x naught. This is the definition of big, and we have seen 2-point formula. Therefore, y minus y naught divided by x minus x naught equal to m, or y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught, just cross multiplying x minus x naught. So this is the equation we wanted to derive. It's a very simple proof. So this is the proof. Students, please note, it is not just sufficient if you remember the formula, you should also know how to derive the equation. Let us take one example. Find the equation of the line through minus 2, 3 with slope minus 4. Very direct question. What is given here? X naught, y naught. Point is given minus 2, 3. M is directly given minus 4. So now equation of the line, write the formula. Y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. So substitute y minus 3 equal to minus 4 into x minus 2. Then simplify. Y minus 3 equal to minus 4x minus 8. Of course, last simplification, 4x plus y and then plus 5 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. Now let us take, because the first one is very simple. Later, of course, in exercise we shall work out more problems. Here for one concept, one problem. 2-point form. This is the second one. So this you can take it as a theorem actually. The equation of the line passing through the point P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So let us consider a coordinate system. What is given? L be the line, and what is given is P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are the 2 points on there. Therefore mark it. So this is P x1 y1. Another one is Q x2 y2. So these are the 2 points given. Now what we do is, let us take one more point, say R x y on the same line. So I have marked here, that is right. Now look at these 3 points P, Q, R. All the 3 are collinear because they are on the same line. Now you know that if the lines are collinear, what is the condition? Slope of PR must be equal to slope of PQ. This we have done actually. Therefore, what is slope of PR? Slope of PR is, it's a difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. That is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Similarly, what is the slope of PQ? That is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This also I have seen. Therefore, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation in 2-point form. Now let us take one example. Find the equation of the line through 1 minus 1 and 3 5. So what is given here? X1 y1 is 1 minus 1 and x2 y2 is 3 5. In fact, you can take any one point as x1 y1, any other point as x2 y2. Now equation of the line, first line, write the equation. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Substitute. So y minus minus 1 equal to 5 minus minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. Simplify. So y plus 1. Right side will be 3 because 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 into x minus 1. So simplify further. So you get 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation. So this is the second form. Now let us move on to the next one. Slope-intercept form. So first let us take the statement. Actually you can take it as a theorem. The equation of the line whose slope is m and y-intercept is c is given by y equal to mx plus c. Now one problem here is we have to understand what is the meaning of this c. Look here. meaning of y-intersect we have to understand. Then only this straight line equation will be clear. Now consider a coordinate system. Take any line L. Suppose this L intersects y-axis at say 0 C. In the diagram, just look here. C is the point where the line cuts y-axis. So its coordinate is say 0 C. C can be positive, C can be negative, don't worry. Then this value is called y-intercept. It's very simple. The value C is called the y-intercept. That means what is given here is slope is given, y-intercept is given. Now let us derive. So now it is very simple. So let L be the line cutting y-axis at C0. So this is L and it cuts y-axis at C and its coordinate value is 0, C. Now let M be the slope of the line. So that is also given. Now slope equal to M and x0 y0 equal to 0, C. So now using point slope formula, there is a first form. So slope is given here, point is also given. So apply the formula. What is the formula? Y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. This is the formula. So apply y minus 0 equal to m into x minus y minus c. I'm sorry, y minus c, because y naught is c, equal to m into x minus 0. Simplify y equal to mx plus c. So this is the equation of the line. What is the condition here? Slope is given and instead of point, intercept is given. That's all. Now let us take one example. Find the equation of the line for which tan theta is 1 by 2 and y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. So given m equal to tan theta, you know this one, this is 1 by 2 and c is minus 3 by 2, directly given. Therefore the equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. Just substitute y equal to 1 by 2 x plus minus 3 by 2. Simplify 2y minus x plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. So what we have done today is 3 different forms with one example each. Now let us sum up, because today we have taken lot of concepts. So first one is a line parallel to x-axis. So this is the case and you know that equation is y equal to a. You have to remember this. Second one, line parallel to y-axis. Then what is the equation? Equation of the line is x equal to a. So these are the two basic cases: parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. Let us proceed. Line intersecting axis, that means axis means both x-axis and y-axis, that is called inclined case. So here, so the line is like this. Then how many different forms we studied? So first one, point slope form. Second one, 2-point form. Third one, slope intercept form. Next one, intercept form. And the next one, that is fifth one, normal form. And what is the equation? You have to remember. Condition here is m is given, x naught, y naught is given. Equation is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. What is the given condition for the second one? x1, y1 is given, x2, y2 is given. So y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And third one, slope intercept form. What is given? M is given, C is given, y equal to mx plus c. Next one, intercept form. A and B are given. Don't worry what is A and B. I will explain when we derive this one. So x by A plus y by B equal to 1. What is given in the last one? Normal form. Alpha is given, P is given. So what is the equation? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. Totally 5 form. And what we have done is, we have completed the first 3. And you have to remember these 3 formula also along with parallel cases. So this is what we studied. And thank you students for watching this video. Hope you will definitely appreciate the way I present the lesson. I am trying to make it as simple as possible, taking only a few concepts, then explaining everything in a very systematic way. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and share. Of course, I know there is a small gap now because of some reason. So I will continue uploading all the lessons of coordinate geometry. Then probably shortly I will be taking very important limits and derivatives also. Please watch all the lessons and get the benefit. Let us meet in the next lesson with the derivation of the remaining two. And of course, there are many interesting things we have to consider. This is considerably a big chapter, but it's a very important, a very interesting chapter. Let us meet in the next lesson. Till then, bye. Take care.